Purchased this unit the 11th of January 2020. Installed same day received. Very easy installation. Setup. Changing of password and SSID name. Replaced cable modem router supplied by cable company that could not cover our 2400 SQFT home with Wi-Fi. The WN551K2 provides Wi-Fi signal that covers entire house. Plus 5100 feet outdoors we are able to stream HD TV to 3TV simultaneously. Talk on 2 cell phones via Wi-Fi. Nest thermostat. Ring doorbell. 3 Wi-Fi Epson printers and 2 computers on Wi-Fi without buffering. Our Wi-Fi speed is faster than our upload-download speeds on internet. Very easy to use and install, not issue encounter so far, and we had it for over a year. Needed better service since we've been living in the basement. We bought 2. One on each end of the house, and now we're never without signal. These work really well, in my opinion. Purchase was easy, delivery as expected, and setup was also as expected.